Hey ladies, it's me, Brady. I'm hopping on. I'm doing a video today. I'm going to be putting my LASHIFY lashes on with you. My monthly package has just arrived. I'm going to be changing up my LASHIFY lashes today with you guys. I wanted to share it with you because I know there's so many LASHIFY ladies on here, and LASHIFY gets completely overwhelming because they have so many great products. I got tempted last month to change up my order a little bit, which is really common if you're a LASHIFY wearer. So I changed my order. I normally wear the double E's 12s, but I got tempted by the just regular E's 13s, because I wanted a tad bit more length, but I wanted the density to come back a little bit for more, maybe a little bit more of a wispier look. So I'm going to be filming that with you guys today. I'm going to be sharing. I use the triple bond method, so we're going to triple bond together. We're going to do some coffee and glam, girls. You guys can see my lashes. My lashes grow down. I am excited to wear these when I've been doing the triple bond method. Oh, there's something on my eyelash right there. When I do the triple bond method, I get the longest wear. I've already done my makeup and my glam this morning. I got up early and did that, so I'm ready for the day. So I already put all my makeup on. My lashes are super clean, and I'm going to be going in. I'm going to be doing the triple bond method. I've been getting 5 to 6 days out of that. You know, you guys, with me and being a contact wearer and everything else, the 5 to 6 days is the best for me. I don't know if I even want to go longer than that, because I really like to get like a really deep scrub on my eyes. Like, my eyes like crave the itching factor. Okay, that is one of the reasons why I have never went with eyelash extensions, is because I would tell one of the girls from the salon, I would say, she'd be like, you need to get those eyelash extensions, Brenda, you'll love them. And I'm like, I am one of those people that like need to deeply itch my eyes. I know that's very strange, but once I take my LASHIFY off at 5 or 6 days, like I want like that shower that's like pouring down on me, and I like just want to like sit there and like scrub my eyeballs. And I think a lot of people can relate to that. So the 5 or 6 days works really well for me. And when I've been doing the triple bond method, I've been getting 5 or 6 days, and I've just been using the Whisper Light, the black side. So that's a huge tip. I had questions on that with the triple bond video. You guys asked, Brandy, what glue are you using? And that is the glue, the Whisper Light, the black side, triple bond. I've been getting 5 to 6 days. Okay, ladies, so I'm going to start with curling my lashes. That's just what I do because my eyelashes grow down. So I'm going to start there with the curling of the eyelashes. I have seen on the Facebook page that LASHIFY should be selling an eyelash curler soon. I looked on their site for one to purchase one, and it doesn't look like they're for sale yet. But I will be purchasing that when they are, because I do curl my eyelashes. And not only that, I curl my eyelashes once they're on because it helps with the bond too. So that's just kind of a behind the scenes hack that I use, is once my lashes are on, I go in and I do a little curling with my lash, with my eyelash curler. I'll show you guys that at the end of the video. Okay, so I'm doing the triple bond method. What does that mean? I'm going to be adding bond onto my eyes 3 different times. Make sure you check out my other video, triple bond method by LASHIFY. And it's been giving me the longest wear. I'm not going to go into deep detail with you guys that today, because I want to show you the lashes. If you're kind of, you know, I like to watch what people buy and what it looks like on them. So that's basically going to be the purpose of this video, is you're going to see what the E13s look like. Okay, that was my first coat, and you guys, I just want to let you know, I do both eyes at the same time because I want to build up a really nice tack. The triple bond method, like she said, with the tacking, you really want it to be really tacky so the lash grabs right on. It has helped me tremendously. It works. The triple bond method works. You want to build that tack up on the eye. So there's my first set, and I'm gonna let this dry for about a minute, okay? Okay, last coat, you guys. I just opened up these lashes while this was drying, because you guys really need to do a minute in between. And really build that tack up on those eyelashes. So I'm just kind of going in for the third coat on the ends on both, really building up a really nice tack on those lashes. Okay, there we go. I just opened the lashes. I kind of want to give you a little review, especially if you're a double E wearer. You guys, if you like the shorter lashes like I do, because I'm a daily wearer, I don't go a lot of places. I'm a stay-at-home mom. So I just wanted to share with you guys. I'm going to be looking into this mirror right here to put these on. I just kind of wanted to share with you guys the review on the E13s. They're definitely longer and they're less curly. So I just wanted to let you know that. The E12s are a really tight curl like this. These are longer and there's less of a curl. So I don't know if I'm gonna like that. So let's see. Okay. Oh, no. No. It's been a while since I put these on, ladies, because my order got lost in the mail. But she pops right on really beautifully, and I'm gonna go in and fuse right away. So I got it right on that waterline nicely, and then I'm gonna fuse. Okay? There she goes. Let's go in with the next one. I probably... Okay, let's do this next one. I got it on there. I'm gonna go in. Fuse. Yes. So they're just a little bit wispier and they're not so dense, okay? That's what the E is. It's not as dense as the double E, and this is a tad bit longer. So I was hoping for a little bit of more of an anti-aging effect. The nicer you get these on in a line, they're just gonna hold up for you for the week. Really nice. So you guys can see. It's a little bit of a softer look than the double E. I'm really liking it so far, you guys. I'm definitely liking it. I can see it. My next test is going to be how the selfie looks, okay? Because I take pictures. That's going to be the true test, is how the selfie looks. Kind of dropped that. So. Got that one right on. You guys can see this side and this side. I'm gonna go in and fuse again. And then I'm gonna put on one more. It's gonna be awesome to have these on all week. This one is up too high. I have to start over with that one. And I just kind of ripped that, so you got to be really careful with these, which is understandable. There, perfect. And I'll fuse. That was my last one for that one. And I'll kind of show you guys. I'll grab one of those corner ones and I'll put a corner one on. I didn't bring them down with me because I was just doing an unboxing. That's the E13s. So So a little less dense, tad bit longer than the double E12s that I normally order. Okay, ladies, so I got them on. They're beautiful. I do like the 13s for sure. I'm much more, my eyes are lifted, as you guys can tell from watching this. It's not so uniform looking, which is how I was feeling with the 12 double E's. When I was looking at the 12 double E's, I would feel, I honestly would be like, okay, they look so perfect that I want a tad bit more dimension. So that's why I kind of reached for just a little bit more length, because they're a little bit more wispier and less dense. So that's why I ordered the E13s. So here's what I might do. I might even go back to, for my next order next month, I might go in, get a shorter double E for these right here, and then have the 13 E's in the middle to give me that wisp. That might be my next map. You guys will see that on my next video. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure to put in an order, because with the way things have been going, you know, Lashify, especially with the E's and the double E's, like, you need to get your orders in because they sell out. So, and the fluffies sell out too. I definitely like these better than the fluffies because I like to be able to see my lashes in a picture. That's how much lashes I like. Okay, ladies. Okay, what do you think? I think we're ready to go. I really like them. I'm gonna put a couple corner pieces on. I actually probably could put another E right there, but I won't bore you with that. But overall, you guys, these are the E13s. I think they're beautiful. I really like them. Now I understand how ladies in Lashify like keep building up. I love them. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe. You guys, I'm a 30-something that loves all things glam. I have 4 littles at home, and I still try to make the time, and I try to make videos. I think you'll love my channel. Please hit subscribe. Bye, babes. So I just wanted to show you kind of a little hack that I do throughout the week with you guys. I told you I would do this, so I want to pop this in at the very end of this video. I do go in during the week, and this is not something that Lashify recommends. This is just me sharing a little beauty hack with you guys. I go in and I use my eyelash curler during the week to do a bond. For some reason, it works really, really good. And I almost think that a lot of ladies think that it works really good because Lashify has been developing an eyelash curler, and I swear to God, it's because of this. So I don't know that for sure. So I'm not affiliated with Lashify. I just share my favorite things that I love and that I think are beautiful. So make sure you hit subscribe. I'm going to go in, show you how, and I'll just do a light bond right there. I know that seems crazy, but it works really well during the week, especially if you guys like super curly lashes. I'm going to go on this side, and I just lightly tap, and it just bonds beautifully. This is be a really good time to add that glass, which I don't personally own glass, but I probably should. But that might be on one of my next orders too. So I just like to walk you guys through everything that I do. That's the purpose of my channel. I don't generally share, this isn't a company affiliation. I just share with you guys what I do. But like I said, Lashify is developing the eyelash curler, so this could be coming. So have a good one. Bye, guys.